Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn how to convert binary to octal and octal to binary number system. In our previous video we have already learned how to convert decimal to binary octal hexa and binary octal hexa to decimal number system. And so here we are going to learn how to convert binary to octal and octal to binary number system. So before we go to know how to convert this from one number system to another, that is from binary to octal, we have to find out the relation between binary and octal number system. For binary number system, we know, all of you know, for binary number system, how many bits are there in binary number system? 2 bits. That means base is 2. Okay. And for octal number system, here is 8 numbers. Sorry, not bits, it's number. 2 numbers are there in binary number system and 8 numbers are there in octal number system. That's why its base is 8. Okay. So here we have to convert either from base 2 to base 8 or from base 8 to base 2. So whenever we convert octal to binary number system, so as 8 can be written in terms of 2 base 2 to the power 3. 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Okay, so if we are going to display the 8 numbers of octal number system in terms of binary number system, we need 3 bits of binary number system for 1 bits of 1 number of octal number system. How we could get? I am explaining it. Before that, you know, so our main is, as 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 and 2 is the base of binary number system. So these 3 bits are required to convert to represents 1 octal number system. That means 1 octal number equals to 3 bits of binary number. Okay, that means all of you remember that as the base of binary number is 2 and the base of octal number is 8, so whenever we are going to represent octal number in terms of binary number, then as 8 can be represented in terms of 2 to the power 3. So that's why 3 bits of binary numbers is required to represent 1 octal number. So 1 octal number equals to 3 bits of binary number. Okay. So here is a table. So octal number, in octal number is there is number 1 0 1 2 0 2 7 number, and in binary number we can write this. So how we get this binary number? Just think, 0 means octal 0 means in terms of, as we know that 1 octal number is 3 bits binary number. So for 0 we have to write 30 in binary number. If for 0 in octal number, whenever we are going to represent in binary number, we have to write for 10 in binary number there must be 30, because 1 octal number is 3 bits of binary number. For one single digit in octal number, 3 bits in binary number. So that's why we have to write 0 before 1, so that 1 can be represented at 3 bits. 1 is in single bit, but we have to represent 1 in 3 bits. So we have to give 0 at the left of the bit 1. Because if we write at the right of 1, it will have significant value. Whenever we write any 0 at the left of any number, left sides of any number, it does not have any significant value. We can write as many as 0 at the left sides of any number in order to increase the number of bits. Left side 0 does not have any significant value, but right side 0 always must have significant value. So we can't write 0 1 0 in the right side. So for 1, in order to represent 0, we have to 0 0 1. And for 2, now it's from 2. So how we get 1 0? If we convert 2 into binary number system, 2 divided by 2 is 1 0. So its number is 1 0. 2 in number octal, if we convert it into binary number system, like in decimal way, so we have to divide it 2. So in 2 in binary number it is 1 0, but as we have to write in 3 bits, we have to 0 1 0. For 3, if we divide it by 2, we get 1 1. That means for 3, binary is 1 1, but as it is 2 digit, we have to write it 3 digit, that is 0 1 0. Okay. For 4, if we are going to write 2 to 4 0, 2 1s are 2 0, so its value is 1 0 0. So it already is 3 bits, so we can write here directly 3 bits. We don't need to add any 0 here, like this way 5 6 7. Okay. So if we write 7 divided by 2, 3 2 is 6, 1 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 1 1 1. So 7 is 1 1 1. So already 7 is 1 1 1, 3 bit. Okay, if it is in 2 bits, then we have to write 0 here, but if it is 3 bits, we don't have to write 0 here. We have to remember this value. Okay, if we want to convert this octal number into binary number, we have to remember this table. And if we can't remember this table, we can find out any binary value of any octal number by this way, by retrieving its decimal value and put it in the 3 digits. Okay, there is a technique to remember this value. Okay, how we can remember this value? As this is 3, so there are 8 combination. You have all do the truth table. No, you don't do the truth table, you are only in class 11. Okay, so how we could remember this table? You see here, there are 3 bits placed, 0 1 2, 3 bits. Okay, so for the first bits there are 4041. For the second bits 2021 2021. For the third bit 0101 0101. Like this way you can remember this table. Okay, or otherwise, if we can't remember this table, you can find out any value of an octal number by dividing this and getting the value of its binary number. Okay, now let us see an example. So our first example is example 1. Our binary to octal. Okay, so 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 2 equals to octal means 8. Okay, so you write very easy thing, 0 1 1 0. You see here we need 3 bits combined to get 1 octal bits. So we combine these bits from the right hand side. We take 3 bit pair from the right hand side, because if there is less than 3 bits, we can add 0 in the left hand side. But if we count it from right side, then we have to add 0 from the right side. If we add 0 from the right side, then the value of this binary number will be changed. So that's why we have to count it from the left side. Now group it 3 bits value, 0 1 2 3 1 group, 0 1 2 3 2 group, and here is a single one. So we have to add 0 here in order to make it 3 digits number. Okay, now 1 1 0. So how we get 1 1 0? Either from the table we get 1 1 0 is 6. Otherwise, if you don't remember this table, so you can convert it into decimal number. 1 1 0 means 0 1 2 0 1 2 means, as this is binary number, convert it into decimal number, because 0 to 7 is already in decimal number, so value will be same, process will be same. So 110 means it's 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. All of you know how to convert binary into decimal number system. So it should write 4 2 plus 0, that is 6. Okay, it is in decimal places, but as the value is 6, so here also octal value is 6. So 110, so if you remember this table, you write this table, it takes much less time. Instead of converting it, so you write this table 4041 2021 2021 1011 1011 and find out this value. 110 means this is 6, so this value is 6. 010, this is 2. 2001 means 1. So its equivalent value is, that means, so its equivalent value is, we can write 1010110 equals to 1268. Okay, it's very easy. Now let us see another example. Example 2, using decimal value. So using decimal value, suppose we use 10.1101. 2 equals to 8. Okay, now what is our method? We have to group it by 3 bits. So 0.1101. So before which is an integer part, we have to count the 3 groups, make the 3 groups from the right to left, and for decimal part we have to make groups from the left to right, because for a decimal value, if we write any value 0 at the right side, it will have no significant value, and for integer value, if we write 0 any left hand side, it will not have any significant value. So its 0 is 0 1 2 bits, so we have to add 0 here. And here if we group 1103 bits, and here is one single bit, here is one single digit, so we can add 2 digit here. Okay, now here you can see 3 groups value. So 110 is 6, you can see the value from the table. 100 is 4, 010 is 2. You can get this value from this table. So we can write 10.11012 equals to 2.648. We have to place the decimal value from where it is placed. Okay, so it is how we convert from binary to octal value. Now here we are going to convert from octal to binary. It's also very easy. Suppose our now here is another number, octal to. So our octal number is, suppose, 52.14. Octal to, we have to convert it into binary. Okay, so our octal number is 52.14. Now for one octal number, there is 3 bits of binary number. For 2, you see here 2 is for 010. You can get this value from the table either, or you can convert it. I've shown you that 2 divided by 2 like this way. You can get this value also, or otherwise. So here for the value of 2, its value is 0 1 0. For the value of 5 it is 1 0 1. For 1 it is 0 0 1. For 4 it is 1 0 0. You can get this value from the table. I have already remembered this value, so that's why I can write it directly. Okay, so our conversion is 52.148 equals to 101.010.002. We have to put the decimal places where it is. That is for 5 2, it is for 5, it is for 2. So after that we have to place the decimal value, and then we have to write for 1 it is for 4. Okay, it is very easy. So you must, my suggestion is, if you have to convert binary to octal or octal to binary conversion, you write this table. It takes less than a minute to write this table: 4041 2021 2021 101 1021, and you can instantly convert this from either from binary to octal or from octal to binary. Always you have to remember, one octal number is equal to 3 bits of binary number. Okay, and this table, you have to remember this table whenever you are going to do any further studies of number system or Boolean algebra. So it's better you remember this table. Okay, always group the number for if binary to octal or octal to binary. For octal to binary, group it with 3 bits, and for binary to octal, group it with 4 bits. Okay, group it with 3 bits.